Welcome back to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. So here are the rules. They're rules. Simone and I will be shown emojis as clues to the names of popular reggae and dancehall artists. We have 30 seconds to guess the answer. That's the rules. All right, let the game begin.
Is that alternate or we just jump in?
I guess we do.
Have enough for 6
I'll
and a half
tell them otherwise. I'm going to bring the TV so we can jump in. All right.
Can you, Clive, can you push up the monitor so
flower gun. Oh, we're not started. All right.
And we're not gone anywhere. Okay, ready, produce.
Elephant Man.
Fish.
Oh.
Lady fish, lady saw, fish.
Lady Mackerel.
Lady mackerel.
That's a mackerel?
I mean, I've never really seen a mackerel look like that, unique, but...
Yellow Man. Oh, these are easy breezy.
Cover girl. Charlie L.
Cartel.
Oh!
Some more Charlie L.
I was like, who is that? Oh, man. City. Black City. Man, boy.
That one is so easy.
Is
Vegas?
City the last? No, man.
Mr. Vegas?
Dale, you were just, somebody paid you off and gave you that.
No.
Popcaan. Seriously, Stunic you? Red Rat.
Ghosts. But tell us with them one you're easy.
Cocoa tea?
Coffee.
Oh, well, you know what? It could have been either.
It could have been cocoa tea.
Who know what's in our cup? Oh. Tablet pill?
That one you're
Not a pill? Capsule.
Wow. Jacquior? I never saw that. The guy told me.
No.
Tiger, lion, cheetah, bear.
Tiger.
I never seen the Jacquior.
Knife Ranks. Cutty Ranks.
All right, Simmer.
Unique, you're really going above and beyond.
Ecamos.
Yeah.
You have to be from a certain era to get that one.
Bunny Wailer.
Yes.
I don't really do so. Hand, foot, leg, bee.
Hand, foot, knee,
Paham, step. What? Early B. I don't. Let me see. Which artist in your name B? Anthony
B.
You know, unique.
Anthony B.
Beres.
There is someone.
Ham. Bosselite. Silite. Elite.
Bossy stop.
Stoplight.
Lights. Sign. Busy signal. It was a bossy signal. Super cat. All right.
I'm still at busy signal.
Chad tell me, I'm not going to tell no lie. Busy signal and Jackie, I couldn't figure them two there.
Put up busy signal
Chad
again.
told me busy signal and Brown told me.
Are we ready for CXC in July? You have a nerve.
Well, if those are the questions, Simone,
after I ask them the question that you want to talk about, me as well, because them did feel like CXC for through.
So, yeah.
Because that was a maths question. Busy signal was a maths question. You need to ask Naja about the question then. Boss E.
Signal. No, that don't know a signal.
So if we're going spelling, it should have been the boss with a Y. Unique, based on your theory here.
Bussy signal. Bussy signal. It's like what the folks call him in London. They say, who's coming up next? They say, it's going to be Bussy Signal, man.
That's a lie. Nobody.
It's Bussy Signal. It's going to be Cockatee. It's going to be Kofi. It's going to be Chanderpal.
No.
Got to be in a different language, Sim.
No.
Come on, man.
Bussy.
It's a Bussy Signal. Come on, Simon.
All right, I'm coming.
Come on, Simon.
I'm with you.
Bussy Signal.
I think this one is an epic file produced.
It's a Bussy Signal.
Is what I think. Anywho, moving right along. Yeah. What does it mean to be preparing for exams during a pandemic? We're going to get an idea in our next segment, which comes up after this break. No Bussy today. Wow. Hi, guys.
A naughty one, man.